Namaste children. Welcome to the biology class of grade 10. In our previous videos, we were discussing about the first lesson in biology, that is life processes. You all know that CBSE has reduced 33% of the syllabus for this academic year, but they have not reduced any concepts in this lesson, that is life processes. So all the concepts are there for the exam for this academic year. So this lesson is very important and all the concepts are very important in this lesson. You all know that in our previous videos, under the topic life processes, we discussed about nutrition in living organisms. We discussed about autotrophic nutrition, heterotrophic nutrition, and also digestion in human beings. Now, let me ask few questions related to the concepts which we have learned so far. Let us see how many of you are able to answer. Shall we start? So here is the first question. In which part of the alimentary canal food is finally digested? Your options are A. Stomach, B. Mouth cavity, C. Large intestine, D. Small intestine. You have 10 seconds to answer this question. The answer is small intestine. Second question. Choose the function of the pancreatic juice from the following. Option A. Trypsin digests proteins and lipase carbohydrates. Option B. Trypsin digests emulsified fats and lipase proteins. Option C. Trypsin and lipase digest fats. Option D. Trypsin digests proteins and lipase emulsified fats. Which is the right answer? Yes, the answer is D. Trypsin digests proteins and lipase emulsified fats. Here is the third question for you. Oxygen liberated during photosynthesis comes from dash. Option A, water. B, chlorophyll. C, carbon dioxide. D, glucose. Which is the right answer? Yes, the answer is A, water. You all know that the steps of photosynthesis, carbon dioxide gets reduced to carbohydrates and water molecule will split into hydrogen and oxygen. So oxygen is liberated from the water molecule. So option A, water is the right answer. Now fourth question. Which is the first enzyme to mix with food in the digestive tract? Option A, pepsin. B, cellulase. C, amylase. D, trypsin. Which is the right answer? Yes, it is C, amylase. Now, there is the second main of four questions which I want to ask. It is a type of assertion and reasoning type. It is a new type of questioning pattern which is asked by CBSE in the last academic year. This is very important questioning type. You all need to know and understand how to answer this assertion and reasoning type of questions. What is this assertion and reasoning type of question? There will be two statements. One, assertion statement, and two, reason statement. You have to read both the statements and choose the correct option out of four options. So the four options will be A, both assertion and reasoning are true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Option B, both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Option C, assertion is true, but reason is false. D, assertion is false, but reason is true. What is this assertion? What is this reason? How to solve this kind of questions in the exam? Let us understand. What do you mean by assertion? Assertion is a simple statement. It is a confident and forceful statement of fact or belief. We call it in Kannada Pratipadane. And what is reason? Reason means explanation, an explanation or justification for an action. So, two statements will be given in this assertion reasoning type of question. How to solve this kind of question, how to answer? First, you have to read the assertion statement and decide whether it's true or false. Assertion statement can be true or false. It is the sentence which declares or asserts a statement, feeling, opinion, or anything is called an assertive sentence. So, what are the steps of solving this type of question? First thing, you have to read the assertion statement and decide whether it's correct or incorrect. Then you have to read the reason statement and decide whether it's true or false. And the third step, you have to decide whether the reason statement given is the correct explanation of assertion statement. So based on these three steps, you can choose the right answer from the options given. That is A, B, C, D. So to understand this in a better way, let us try to solve some of the questions. Let us try to solve some of the assertion reasoning kind of questions. First question,